So, you're thinking about putting in a playground? Well, there's plenty to consider, but these topics should be at the top of your need-to-know list. First, the footprint. Where will you put structures and equipment? Do you have the room for equipment, borders, and safety zones? The safety zone or use zone is the area the playground will cover. It will need surfacing and often has a border. The use zone is all about safe movement and access. Don't crowd or cram play equipment. There should be at least 6 feet between any structure and the outside border of your play area. Now, falling is the leading cause of playground injuries, almost 80%. Critical height, fall height, come into play. This measures the maximum height that if a child falls off playground equipment, they'll likely avoid a serious head injury. How do you measure it? Critical height. It's the distance between a structure's highest point to the safety surface below, again, where such a fall would not cause life-threatening injury. Safety considerations are closer to the ground as well. Swings, for example, should be far enough from other equipment so children aren't hurt by a child on a swing. The minimum recommended distance is a 6-foot perimeter. Other playground equipment, especially if it moves, should go to the edges or corners of a play area. Again, the 6-foot rule applies, and that 6-foot zone for one structure should not overlap another. Now let's talk about impact-absorbent surfacing. You have plenty to choose from, starting with mulch. It could be manufactured wood chips or fibers. Recycled rubber mulch is a popular option, and it comes in many colors. Check with us on recommended minimum depths. Poured-in-place surfacing, just as it says, is mixed and poured on site. The smooth surface can include any number of colors and designs. Other options include sand, pea gravel, and rubber matting. Another consideration: will the playground be appropriate for the age and abilities of children using it? Consider ADA compliance. The structure needs to meet minimum standards of the American Disabilities Act. Much of the equipment needs to be accessible no matter what the child's physical limitations. And from there, you can make a playground as inclusive as possible, adding additional designs and access points. Well, these playground pointers are just for starters. Check our website and social media sites for more information.